Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Many of you have requested me to showcase a bungalow many times, but I couldn't do that. So, for the first time in my channel, showcasing a two-bedroom bungalow. This is from Ward Builders and it's located at Bridlington, York. You have some really good sea-facing bungalows in this area. So in the bungalow, you'll be having only one floor. Uh, in the ground floor, you have the kitchen with dining space and also two bedrooms with one common family bathroom. So as you enter the house, you'll find a spacious and lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions made towards the kitchen with dining space and also the bedrooms. So first we'll be entering into the open plan living and the kitchen space. It's kind of like in a L shape. So you have a lengthy hall space and the kitchen coming just behind it. You also have the garden access to the widened French doors given here. It's a quite spacious kitchen with living area and also you can plan a dining space towards one corner. So in this kitchen you have worktops on both the sides with the gas, and if you want you can go for the upgraded version of the electric as well. They managed to give one window towards the kitchen end as well, and you have plenty of cupboards both at the bottom and even at the top. So you're getting the integrated fridge, freezer and oven towards this side, and this is included in the price you will be getting with the property. For some reason, many of them these days they're checking out these kind of cozy bungalows because of health issues, and also maybe they want to avoid climbing the staircase and using upstairs. If you can get actually everything spread out on one single floor like this, well planned kitchen with dining space and also the bedrooms and bathroom, then it's everything for them. And also when people are getting older, they prefer these kind of bungalows. So for such people, it's really good. If you can see, you have nice widened French door access here towards the garden, and you'll be getting a decent garden with fence around it. So you can plan your sofa television set here in this living space, and if you want you can plan a small dining table towards the other end as well. A decent kitchen with living space and also some good dining space here. You're getting a small utility behind this dining space here. They gave a door and lock for this utility space as well. You can plan something inside in this utility space. They also gave the mains here in this utility. So from here now we'll move towards the left side, wherein we have the two bedrooms and also one bathroom. There's also one more small room which is coming in between, and I'll be showing that later. So first checking out the master bedroom of the house. Actually both the bedrooms are double bedrooms, but this first bedroom is slightly bigger than the second one. You can easily plan a double cot bed here or even a king size bed, and you have really good room space to walk around. Towards one side you're getting a nice window, so plenty of natural light falling in the room. And towards the opposite side you can easily plan a nice white wardrobe. Decent bedroom with good style and comfort. I was actually assuming that maybe in bungalows, the height might be slightly less because from outside it looks smaller. But if you can check it out, inside the height wise, it's really good. It looks like, other regular houses. Only thing you have everything spread out on one single floor. So this was all about the first bedroom. Just beside this, you have the second bedroom. Again, as I told you, this is also a double bedroom, but this is slightly smaller than the master bedroom. Again, a double cot bed fits in, and you have really good space to walk around. You're getting a nice window towards one side. And even in this bedroom, towards the opposite side, you can plan a nice white wardrobe. These are the two bedrooms, and we covered both the bedrooms. So we'll move ahead and we'll check out the common family bathroom, which is coming down towards the front end. So just as you enter the house, you'll find this common bathroom towards your left side. This is the only bathroom you have in this bungalow. So you have the tub, water closet, sink, and there's also a nice window coming towards the front end. And again, it's a fully tiled bathroom. And just opposite to this bathroom, you're getting a small room with door and lock, and they gave the boiler here in this room. You can plan some kind of storage in here. So we covered all the rooms in this bungalow. Overall, a decent bungalow for a really good price. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.